So tell me.
This summer I spent 2 days a week volunteering at Wild Bird Fund, a wildlife rehabilitation center located on the Upper West Side. As a nonprofit organization, Wild Bird Fund relies heavily on volunteers to donate their time and money in order to fund the vast services that we offer animals in need. The first step is providing the birds a safe, clean environment with a diet specifically catered to the particular bird's needs.
Where did you go? Drawn to your glow, oh my fire, fire, firefly, burning the day. I know you can't stay.
I was blown away by the expertise, passion, and patience of their staff. While they're very busy, they always take the time to entertain my questions and explain what's happening. Let's go downstairs. This is where we keep all the pigeons and songbirds. Right now there are a lot of pigeons out because we're cleaning their cages. It's also a great opportunity to give them some fly time where we can assess their progress. Now, these are all wild birds, apart from a couple of socialized birds that are too friendly to be released. Typically these overly friendly birds have to unfortunately be put down, however some of them are kept as educational birds in order to teach volunteers and interns. It also makes for a pretty fun work environment, because sometimes they'll just land on your head or shoulders. One of the most important daily intern tasks is feeding baby pigeons. Because they don't have their mothers, we have to hand feed them. We also monitor their weight to make sure that they're healthy. The chart tells us how many pieces of puppy chow to feed them, as well as whether or not to include seeds. It also specifies the frequency of their feedings, up to 4 times every day. To check if they are self-feeding, sometimes we'll put the bowl of food in front of their beak and mimic a pecking motion with their fingers. This is to help trigger their self-feeding instinct.
Drawn to your glow, oh my fire, fire, firefly, burning the day. I know you can't stay. My fire, fire, firefly. Where did you go? Drawn to your glow, oh my fire, fire, firefly, burning the day. I know you can't stay. My fire, fire, firefly.
I started at Wild Bird Fund through Patagonia's environmental internship program, which is a pretty different path than most of the interns who are looking to become a veterinarian or rehabber. But regardless of my career path and experience, I was still offered the amazing opportunity to shadow one of their professional rehabbers. Here Eugene teaches me about the intake process and how to evaluate a new patient.
He's also very nervous, and actually I've seen that a lot on pigeons that has trick, and they become very agitated. He also has lice, so we should spray him. I would like to do fecal tests and make sure that they get all the medicine the bird needs, so that they don't have to keep on coming back for more medicine. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna kind of smear it, kind of roll it on top of the slide. And the whole idea is you don't want to smear it too thickly on it. It's very thinly. You see, it's so thin, right? It's very thin.
Yeah.
And the excess, the remaining excess, you can kind of remove. And when you get it, try not to get the white part. Try to get the dark part.
Yeah.
you see something basically.
Yeah.
And that was pretty easy because I used the lowest lens to focus it, so it didn't take me much time. It's an avian ramworm, so that's another. It's a parasite. It's a worm, and it's an egg of ramworms, and it's very common. When we see like a really long bacteria like that, we suspect that it's the avian gastric yeast. We've seen ramworms and we've seen coccidia.
Oh, those are all treatable?
Yeah, it's all treatable, and we often call this trifecta because we see this all the time.
Oh, what can I get started on?
I got onto a subway, I got off in Seattle, forgot to get some sleep, and I woke up kinda rattled. I can't plan a day cause I don't know the time. Why am I moving in circles when I'm looking for straight lines? Circles.
As the internship progressed, I learned a lot of new skills. In addition to fecal tests, I also learned how to test their blood for lead, how to draw up medicine, and also how to put on a splinter cast. I was also fortunate enough to participate in some of the pigeon releases in Central Park. It's so rewarding to be able to watch some of the patients that we've helped get released into the wild and join their new flock. So that's what it's all about.
25 years is too much time. The city is too noisy. The country is too quiet. Why am I moving in circles? But I'm looking for straight lines. Moving in circles. But I'm looking for straight lines. Circles, but I'm looking for straight lines.